Hello. Welcome to bad weather. The date is the 5th February 2020 and the weather is pretty much normal. Bad. It has been bad so much, so you're getting quite used to it. This time I have something new with me. So I will be talking about the Rode Go mic, which I bought. If you see here, that's the receiver. On my GoPro 7 I have my transmitter, and I will be checking out how this will be work. And well, this is perfect condition for that. Doesn't handle cold, doesn't handle the winter, the snow. If it does that, then I can take this with me to hiking. I will explain you more about the Rode mic system. So what is a Rode Go? Well, the receiver is here, the transmitter is on my camera, which is plugged into my GoPro 7. But this system I could use with anything that have a 3.5 plugs, and but there is no cable between. That's the strong system. That's why I bought this. There is no cable between here and there, which means I don't have to take with me my big microphone, the Rode Video Pro Plus. It's a very good mic, but I am hoping that this system will solve so that it's simple about it's a matter about how much I want to take with me on a trip, and the lesser I can get it, the better it is. That's why I bought Rode Go. On the receiver here, there is a plug for 3.5, which I actually can plug in any mic into this again, like a lava mic. But I am hoping that this system will be good enough with just using this. I have the dead cat on because it's quite windy now. So as you can see, it's quite windy here, and that's why I have the dead cat on. But it has it's a poor the thing. It tends to fall off way too often. But I think I got it solid on now. But you never know. I am hoping that I don't need to use the dead cat system. Simply because it's hard to get on, and as I say, it can fall off. But I guess when it is a lot of wind, like it is now, I think maybe that will help the sound. I am not sure. This is the first time I am testing this mic system. On my Rode Video Mic Pro Plus, I don't need any dead cat on it, even if it is a lot of wind, because it's so good in wind situation. But I am not sure here. It's constantly blowing wind here now. So this is I will find out when I get home. This is a perfect solution if I'm going hiking in the mountains, and I don't have to need to think about if the sound will be good or not. So I'm really excited to see after this trip how it works, how good is the quality when it is conditions like this. Another advance I have with this system is that I now can point my camera in any direction. It doesn't matter what direction I am holding it. You should hear me clearly. And that's a very huge advance, because on the shotgun with the Rode I had, you always had to point it where you was going to talk to. So this will be quite a new future for me using when I am hiking. So, but we will see how is this working. So let me know what you think about the sound. Now I will be editing the sound a bit in the editor. I'm not really sure how that will work. So, but I will not edit it that much. Another thing about this system is that I can use it on any system. Like I have a recorder which I can use for podcasting and things like that. And then I can just set the recorder anywhere, and I can walk around in my house with only my receiver on me and talk to it, and it will record the sound. I have not tested it out yet, but I am quite interested in podcasting. So that will also be something I will use it on. And of course I will use it on my Canon M50. However, I had a problem with my Sony AX5 III because of the hot shoe on it. There is a lock on the camera that is preventing to reach the hot shoe, but I found another way to fix that. We are in a place called Rognan in Saltdal. Our closest city is Bodø in Norway. And it's quite funny. The car that is working with the snow has been working all the day, but they have not been here. As you can see, a lot of snow. But that's something we just have to get used to. They take the important road first, and then they take the other things. What's very important, which I like a lot, is this is the receiver and the transmitter are both using USB-C cable, which I love. Simple, because USB-C is a stronger port. It's harder to destroy it. Remember that if you do that, if you hurt your USB input, then actually the camera can be gone. How are you going to charge it if you can't take the battery out? So that's important. It has 7 hours battery life. It takes around 2 hours to charge it up from 0%. And 7 hours is more than enough for me. And of course you can turn it on or off. You're not recording all the time on it. So I just have to watch that the dead cat is on here, that I don't lose it. I don't want to lose it. And I like it because it's so simple, it's so easy. There is just one cable, very short cable, which is connected from the transmitter to my GoPro. And that's it on this receiver here. Of course I have to remember to turn it on. I can see that that's very easy to forget sometimes, but I have an indicator Let's see. As you can see here, you have an indicator that it is on, which I also have on the transmitter. Yeah, I'm hoping this will work. I don't know yet, so very excited to get home and see. Maybe we take some epic video shots while we are here. I will be putting some music on, turning off this sound, and take some shots so you can enjoy the bad winter time you have here. So yes, thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and to subscribe on my channel. More videos will be coming. I hope you like this video. It's not the best one, it's not the best weather condition and all that, but hello, I am not God. I can't do anything with the weather. Bye bye, see you.